All right, today is our day 3 of 4.2. So what we're going to do is our launch task is let's put all the pieces together now. So my phase shift is pi over 4. My vertical shift is down 1. My amplitude is, don't forget the absolute value of 3. And the period length is 2 pi over 2. So it's pi. So let's try number 2. The phase shift is negative pi over 2. The vertical shift is up 2. Be careful, my amplitude is positive 2. And then I have 2 pi over 1/2. So the period length is in fact 4 pi. All right, so now how are you going to do this if we put all of this together? Okay, so my phase shift is pi over 4. The vertical shift is down 1. The amplitude is 3. The period is 2 pi over 2, so it's pi. So here's what I do. I make the amplitude, so it's -3 to 3, and then I'm going to go down 1. So it's -4 to 2, okay? The other thing I do, okay, so this might be a little confusing. So I'm going to take my amplitude and period, okay? I'm going to deal with just the amplitude and period. So I'm going to go 0 to pi. Halfway is pi over 2, pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. The A value is positive 3. So this is going to go 0, 3, 0, -3, 0. Then I have a phase shift of pi over 4. So good news, pi over 4 and the phase shift are the same. This is going to go right, so I'm going to need to go a little bit to the right there. Okay, so now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to now make my new axes, and then this is down 1. And then I'm going to use this table as my new x-axis. So I've got a 0, 0, 1 tick is pi over 4, and that's pi over 4 in my table. So then I go up 3 from here, 1, 2, 3. Then I go back to 0, and then I go down 1, 2, 3, and then back to 0. And there you have it. Okay, so it's really not that bad, okay? It's a little bit bad, but not that bad. Okay, so then let's go ahead and try letter F. Now, this is not written in the right form. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull the 1/2 out to get it in the right form, okay? You cannot have 1/2 x plus pi over 4. It has to be 1/2 times a quantity. So hopefully you can see how that is. So my phase shift is left pi over 2. My vertical shift is up 2. My amplitude is positive 2. The period is 2 pi over 1/2. All right, so then here's how I do my range. It's -2 to 2 and then up 2. So it's going to go 0 to 4. I kind of chunk that. All right, then let's make our table. So again, I'm doing my table with amplitude period. Then I use new axes to add the phase shift. That's how I do it. So I'm going to go 0 to 4 pi. Halfway is 2 pi. Half of that is pi. Then that is, A is -2, so we got to be careful. That's going to go -2, 0, 2, 0, -2. So my phase shift is pi over 2, and the length on my table is pi. So I'm going to go ahead and go by pi over 2's. Okay, so I got that in. then I am left a pi over 2, and I am up 2. Now note, 2 ticks is a pi, okay? 2 ticks, so I'm going in my table, units of pi. All right, so here we go. This is going to go 0, -2, so that's down here. I count 2 ticks up to 0, count 2 ticks, up 2 more. 2 ticks is 0, 2 ticks is down 2. And there you have it. All right, just because I'd like to give you a little extra here, let me do the day 3 CYU. So here we go. So my phase shift is pi over 2. My vertical shift is 1. The amplitude is 3. 2 pi divided by 1/3 should be 6 pi. So then this is -3 to 3 and up 1. So that's -2 to 4. All right, I'm going to make my table, and it's going to go 0 to 6 pi. Halfway is 3 pi. Half of that is 3 pi over 2. So these are changing at a distance of 3 pi over 2 on the x-axis. So to here is 6 pi over 2. Then that makes this one 9 pi over 2. All right, the a value is a +3, and this is cosine. So it's going to go 3, 0, -3, 0, 3. I'm probably going to go by pi over 2's because of the 3 pi over 2. And let's just keep going, and let me go back up. Alrighty, I missed this one right here. This one is 5 pi over 2. Sorry about that. To double check myself. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do a phase shift of pi over 2. I have a vertical shift of 1. All right, so here we go. My first point is 0 up 3, so that's 0, 4. And then 3 ticks is 3 pi over 2. So I'm going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll go ahead and make sure I've got it nice and rounded. And this one is pi over 2. 3 is 6 pi over 2. This is 7 pi over 2. And this one, 12. This is 13 pi over 2. Make sure you've got them all labeled. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.